Okay, so this problem, you have to convert the postfix expression below to prefix. So circling the BC plus CV division sign, those are both the immediate postfix expressions that we see. So now we're going to rewrite and convert that. So it's also, B2 arrow. We're going to convert this to prefix. So you get A plus BC, and then bring down division sign, and arrow B2, and then division sign CB, and plus minus 2. Now continuing on, we now have some more postfix expressions that we can bracket. So doing that, we have A in the plus BC term. We can bracket those. And the big term I just circled, I'm connected with the plus sign. So now we're going to rewrite these two expressions in prefix. So that brings the division sign to the front of it, and it also brings a plus sign later to the front. So as I copy this down, think about what comes next in terms of what should be bracketed next. Okay, so now I'm going to finish it up by bringing the minus and the arrow up, because as it is postfix expression, we can make it prefix. It's very easy to convert one to the other.